So when you start any class that involves any type of smoke, fire, or anything that can burn, period. I mean, burn on your face, your skin, eyeballs, burn in your nostrils, even if it's a fume, you need to have a fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher, yep, I know it's in the downstairs area and the basement area, and it's got cobwebs, spiders crawling up on it, whatever, because they love the fire hydrant, you know, they want to stay cool. So right in here at that meter, make sure it's in the middle area, the green zone. Different ones. Or maybe these are just the ones I use in my practice quite frequently, like seriously. Let's go to the first one. The first one, you know, gold finger. So gold finger, or you know, hey, don't be trying to put this in other areas. I've seen some people during my little training uh, classes, and they've tried to experiment and do some weird stuff with this. Like, please don't. These things, the metal is actually kind of not sharp, but if you have hairs in that area, which there's these two people that tried to do some weird stuff in the class on our lunch break, and I actually walked in on them doing something with this because it spins, it gets warm, and down there, oh yeah, it seems like a great idea, right? But it got caught on a couple of his hairs down there, and he tried to, I guess, pull up, or his girlfriend tried, yeah, and it got caught all up in between. Right here, it's a mesh. So these little mesh or screen, once it's in there and this thing rolls, it's in there. I don't know how you're gonna get it back out, especially if you have little BDBs or little small knots in your, you know, you don't comb your hairs out. You know, I shave my shit, so I don't really have to worry about that crap. But if you know your shit is tangled, it's gonna get in here and you trying to pull it out, and the scissor, you can't get scissors close enough to snip the hairs out. Be careful, don't do nothing stupid. Don't roll underneath armpits, please don't, because there's hair. Now, if they don't have hair, you're good, you're golden. You're golden. Now, if you have a hairy man and their butt crack is very, very hairy, or back here, and you're trying to roll this on the hair, you're gonna see you're gonna have problems. It will get caught in here. Grip, grip, grip. Okay? Just like you're milking a cow. The little teats. You're pulling, 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 milking, right? Get the head, put the head on top of the stick. When you're going down, it looks like it's not gonna go down because look, it hits it. It's like all you're doing is forcing it. All you're doing is doing a little twist. It goes right on. And so you don't have to hold it anymore, because that's what that twist is, that same grippy. It's just gripping it for you. Isn't that crazy? It seems like it's not gonna go. Has a little notch, a little nipple. So the little nipple, don't lick it. That's later. Take your little nipple, show it some love. It has grips, and so it comes off. So this one doesn't have a grip at all. It's hard, but it does come off. Just takes time. But this one you can take off at any time, put it back on. Make sure you get them in the grooves correctly, because sometimes if you don't, it's hell taking it off. Make sure you screw it down properly till it can't move, but don't screw it down too much. If you do too much, you're gonna have to get vice grips or something to unhook it. Yes, it gets stuck in there, so be careful. Too cold or anything like that, it's like a perfect for anybody. This is for bigger body parts, whole body. You can use it everywhere. This is my number one, okay? Now on the top is number one because it has the balls and they roll. Man, it's smooth. I know, right? And then when you got the Moxa in there and you're working your neck area, like, oh, yeah. See, even that feels good. I don't even have a Moxa stick in here, but it feels good. Damn, I need a massage. All right, so anyway, right, it has these little balls. You can actually work this on the face if you want to, and it glides. Even if you have hair on the face, it's not gonna get caught in there. I'm not advising you to do anything with hair if it's super long, because that probably still gonna get caught in there. Mine isn't so super long, you know, it's short. So side of the face, it just rolls, it glides. But for the face, I don't recommend this one. I recommend this strictly for the body, because for the face, we're gonna use, oh yeah, my favorite. Oh yeah, I know. They're all my favorites, but this one is a beast for everything. It has like the little balls right here, the little pressure points or acupuncture pressure points, venting, and up here has a ventilation system as well, so you can do the forehead. Oh yeah, see I'm sweating. Yep. But it feels great, and with the heat coming out, somebody's face that's cold, somebody has pulling, you know, bags, those Gucci bags underneath the eye. Man, it's like an instant facelift. It feels good. In between the nose, decompression, any type of sinuses, get that right under that zygomatic arch, that bone. Man, I feel great right now just doing that you want to. This might be overkill, the middle one, because they go, but it works. This one might be a little bit underkill because yes, it works, but you have to keep holding it down and blow. This one I found to be my go-to because it's super fast and it's hot, like right, Jesus, even right. Yeah, it reaches. It's like this is a super torch lighter. It's like the F14 of lighters or F22 these days. But anyways, whew, this one is a beast. So now we're gonna go into actually putting the stick inside of the rollers, lighting it, and going from there and working on our bodies so you can see the pressure and feel the pressure that you're going to give your client. So you don't put this on somebody's body and say, oh yeah, just take the pain, it's supposed to feel that way. No, it's not. You need to do this on yourself and on your face, body, and everything else, so you know how it feels when somebody puts this hot shit on your skin and they toasted it too much. And I'm going to show you why you don't want to toast or flame the metal parts, because this conducts heat, and as soon as you flame this and you put on somebody, that's instant 2nd to 3rd degree burn, I guarantee you. So that's why we're not going to do that, and I'm going to show you right now.